Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to use Tapfiliate website. So let's get started. So in step 1, you have to visit the Tapfiliate website, then click on the sign up button and fill in your details to create an account. Then verify your email address to activate your account. Then in step 2, you have to set up your account. So log in, then complete the onboarding process by providing information about your business and the affiliate marketing goals. Then customize your account settings, including the email address and the payment method. Then after that, on the step 3, you have to create an affiliate program. So navigate to the program section, then click on create program, then enter the program details, including the name, description, and the commission structure. Then set up tracking option and define the conversion action you want to track, which is the sales or the sign up. Then on the step 4, you have to add the marketing asset. Then go to the asset section and click on add asset. Then upload the banner, logo, and other promotional materials for your affiliate to use. Then create a test link and social media post to your affiliate to promote your product. Then on the step 5, you have to recruit affiliate. So share your affiliate program link on your website, social media, and email newsletter. Then invite potential affiliates to join your program by sending them specialized invitation. Approve or reject affiliate applications in the affiliate section. Then on the step 6, you have to monitor your performance. Then use the Tapfiliate dashboard to track the performance of your affiliates. Then monitor the key metrics such as click, conversion, and commission.